Hey friends, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up board creation restriction in Trello. Now, if you're currently using Trello, guys, and you want to ensure that only, for example, admins can create or do a particular task or particular creation with boards, then you can easily set this. So what you want to do is simply click the Trello logo in the upper left hand side once you're in Trello, and you want to click on settings. Now from here, you want to scroll down to where it says the board creation restriction, and you have a few options here, but you want to click and change to be able to make those changes. Now, as you can see here, it is set to anyone. You can just set these to basically either nobody or only admins can basically do these tasks. And that's it. You set this and it's all done. And if you go back there, you can see that it's currently set to admin. You don't need to click and save or anything. It's just about selecting the option that you want, and that's it. And that's how to set up your board creation restrictions in Trello, guys. Very easy and very simple.